walking to Manuel Antonio National Park now. And we're pretty excited. It opens at 7. 10 minutes.